This might be one of the most powerful smartphones in the world, but most people in America won't buy it. This is the Huawei Mate 80 Pro, and today we're testing if this is a hidden flagship monster or just hype. First impression? Luxury. The Mate 80 Pro looks expensive. It feels expensive. Curved premium display, solid glass back, bold camera design. This doesn't look like a normal phone. It looks like a statement. This is where Huawei still dominates. Colors are rich, detail is insane, dynamic range is flagship level. The zoom on this phone? Unreal. Low light performance is extremely clean, bright but natural. If you care about photography, this phone is dangerous competition. Performance is fast, smooth, flagship level. Gaming test, app opening speed, multitasking, no lag, no stutter, no hesitation. Battery life is solid. All-day usage, social media, camera, streaming, gaming, and charging, super quick. Now, here's the real conversation. This phone is powerful, but in the US, software limitations matter. App ecosystem differences, Google service limitations if applicable, compatibility considerations. For some people, it's not a problem. For others, it's a deal breaker. This section builds trust with your audience. Compared to Samsung, camera hardware competes. Compared to Pixel, different software experience. Compared to iPhone, totally different ecosystem. So, should you buy the Huawei Mate 80 Pro? If you want incredible camera hardware, premium design, something different from Samsung and Apple, this phone is a powerhouse. But if you depend heavily on the traditional US app ecosystem, think carefully. If you enjoyed this honest review, hit like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, would you use a Huawei phone in 2026?